Greetings my friends, welcome back to another video and trade here. Today I wanted to just trade, show you how you can trade without any indicators or minimal indicators. So we're just gonna have one, and I'm going to show you how you can perform trades with just basic technical analysis, and on top of that we are going to discuss over trading, because I think a lot of people miss out on that part of trading and actually think that over trading only touches when you're hitting the loss streaks and you continue trading, which is not true. So I wanted to touch on those subjects. So we're just gonna go into the market, we're gonna perform some trades, and if you want to learn how to trade yourself, if you want to learn how to perform technical analysis, how to add indicators that actually will make your chart more insightful and help you place trades more precisely, then make sure to check out the link in the description below. We have daily trading sessions, like I said, daily tutorials, trade breakdowns, indicator breakdowns. Everything that you need as a trader is all in one place, and you can join right now and become a member. So click that link in the description, send me a message on Telegram at ntrade_pro. Now let's delve into the market and let's make some money as always. We're not gonna do anything crazy today. We're just gonna use some technical indicators, and first thing I see on the chart here is that there is a level. So once this candle closes, we're gonna place a buy position, and there you go. This is what I needed. This is gonna be already a pretty big trade for us. I'm gonna place 7,000 for 6,000 on this. We're probably gonna lose the top one, however the bottom ones are pretty much secure. There is a level here and it is pretty obvious to me, so I place a lot of money here because I know that the price will reverse and go up, and you can see how beautifully we execute the first trade. And if you just go and increase the time frame, which you should be doing anyway, you should always be doing it, you can see that there is a very strong level here that we can trade off. Beautiful execution. And talking about overtrading doesn't normally come from losing streaks. Overtrading a lot of the times comes from actually winning streaks, and this is a really important thing. It's not about your strategy, it's not about you having good or bad strategy. Overtrading is all about emotions and being impatient. It usually begins after a few minutes. You just go into the market, you do a couple of successful trades, you get your money, and you think, wow, it is going so well, so great, I'm just gonna continue trading. And then you get a few losses and you're like, okay, well, I was already up there, so I need to go back where I was, right? So I'm gonna place a few more trades, and then you do a few more trades, and maybe you take a few more losses, and you won't even notice how that mentality is taking you down and blowing up your account. Within 10, 15, 20 minutes, you can completely lose all your profit and obliterate your balance. And that is something that is extremely important to avoid. You need to learn how to say, okay, we're stopping for right now. I've gotten good profit. Even if you got like $1,000 of profit, right, and then you lost 200, it's still extremely important to not get like locked in on that 1,000, right? Just take your 200 that you lost, take your $800 of profit. Just in general, learn to take profit on a day. Set your goals. If you have a goal of making $100 a day and you go and you hit that goal of $100 a day and you got your 100, just stop trading for the day. This is such an easy thing to do, and a lot of people actually miss. Wow, what's going on here? What a strong bullish impulse. Let's go to 1 minute. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, this is crazy. I wonder if we can just do this, right? It's looking pretty nice here on the uptrend. So let's see if we get a little bit of pushback here, but a hell of a strong uptrend. And of course I'm going to at least place 1,000 here, because as you know, nothing can continuously go up. We probably, if we at RSI, yeah, look how long we've been in the overvalued condition for this asset. So we're probably gonna see some form of rejection here, but it's been going on for quite some time. There's probably some news I haven't really checked today for the euro, Great Britain, pound, but just like that, we found nice assets, very strong bullish impulse, been going on for a long time. We just went in and Boom, just like that we made $840, and already we made over $4,000 by just trading and performing no crazy analysis. We spotted a level, we spotted a strong trend here, we just rode the wave, and just like that, boom, we get another win here. Here we are looking, RSI is heading downwards, however it is met with rejection here. So the things you should be looking for with overtrading is, of course, if you enter a trade mid candle and your strategy is clearly requiring you to place your trades at the opening of a candle, you are probably already overtrading. Another thing that you pay attention to is if you stop logging your trades. If you suddenly no longer interested in knowing why you placed your trades and why you took losses. Ooh, this is what we've been looking for. This is where we enter 4,000 on this one. And if you stop doing that, that means you are already overtrading, and you should completely stop trading for the day. Set a maximum amount of trades that you do per day. Whether it's 4, 5, 6 trades, stick to it. It doesn't matter if you lost 4 and won only 2. If this is your maximum amount of trades that you have set for yourself during the day, then stick to it. Whatever you are, when you are going into the market, you have to have a set of rules that will stop you from overtrading and losing your money. You cannot go into the market and just place trades whatever and feel like, wow, I'm doing whatever I want and I feel relief when I press buy or sell. You cannot be doing those things. Right here, I knew as well, I saw a level, so I placed my trade. RSI was breaching into the 50 level, so we got a nice trade again. And just like that, look at that. Look at the trading session that we got. We spent 12 minutes in the market and made over 10,000 or like, I think we around $10,000 that we made here with this trading session. So guys, if you want to learn how to manage your emotions, how to stop over trading, how to stop losing trades that you should not have lost, then joining my trading group and reading the stuff that we post is going to be really helpful to you. Of course, you can find a lot of this stuff on the internet, but we have everything in one place and we have practical usage of those things. So if you want to trade with me as well, which you can do, we have individual trading sessions. I'm going to be present there when you are trading. I'm going to be telling you what you are doing wrong, what you're doing right, and you will have an idea and start building up in your head an understanding of what actions you should be taking when you're going into the market. Don't let over trading and revenge trading stop you from being a profitable trader. And one more thing, even if your win rate is slightly above 50%, you can still be profitable. It's all about risk management. We can teach you about that as well in my trading team. Every single day, we're always telling people don't place more than 2 to 5% of your entire balance. Even if it's 1% of your balance, that is completely fine. You can manage your risk and be profitable, like I said, with even 50% win rate, as long as you don't overtrade and you don't overcommit. So stick to that. Know why you're in a trade. Learn when to go into trades. Learn when to not go into trades. Learn which indicators to use, which not to use. This is going back to the video I did yesterday about having a system. System is everything, and we are ready to provide you with all of that. So check it out. Link is in the description below, guys. Send me a message on Telegram at @Antrade_pro. Let's get to work. We have OTC trading sessions every single day this week as well, in the evening at 11 p.m. London time, so show up to those as well. I appreciate you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed us trading. I'm making a little 10,000 while talking about over trading, and we're gonna be expanding more. I'm gonna be dropping more knowledge, guys, so I hope you enjoy it. Leave a comment, leave a like, and subscribe, and also let me know what you think about it. Do you like this format where we just go into the market and trade, or would you prefer it having like more structure, me explaining more trades? But I think we had pretty basic trading session. We went in, marked a few levels, saw a few reversals, caught a few trades, made 10,000, and we out. So I appreciate you guys. Hope you're having a blessed day, and as always, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.